If your Samsung dryer is displaying a cooling message, there are several possible reasons for this issue. One common cause is a blockage in the unit's air vent, which can occur when particles accumulate in the passageways over time, resulting in restricted airflow and triggering the cooling message. To fix this, start by turning off the machine and inspecting the air vent to ensure it is securely in place. Check for any leaks that may be allowing dirt to pass through and look for debris in the airways. Use a damp cloth to clean the airways and remove any blockages. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning control board, which can cause the machine to display the cooling message even when it shouldn't. In this case, a simple reset may be necessary. To do this, shut down the unit, disconnect it from the power source, and leave it for 30 minutes. After this time, reconnect it to the electrical outlet and restart the machine. Then initiate a new cycle. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with your Samsung dryer.